If you are worried about how to restore your business once the lockdown gets over, then this video is made for you. My name is Prateek. I help brands to grow online. In this specific video, I'll be sharing with you 3 tips on how to restore business as well as how to increase sales once the lockdown gets over. Tip number 1. Connect with your customers. I hope you must be having phone numbers of all your customers. If yes, then this is the right time to utilize it. You can send a personal message about their well-beings to all your customers. This creates a personal touch and showcases how you care about them. Tip number 2. You can run Facebook and Instagram ads about your shop being sanitized, about your staff wearing a mask or a sanitizer bottle placed at the entrance of your showroom. This shows that you care about their well-being. Tip number 3, the last tip. This is the most important one. You can run a Facebook and Instagram ads about your products and services right from now. This helps to generate awareness as well as create a demand for these products. So as soon lockdown gets over, customers can approach you for these products or services. Let me know how you feel about these tips and what tips are you following to increase sales. My name is Prateek. You can follow me on my Facebook page as well as connect with me at Instagram on my ID @socialprateek. You can also email me at consult@socialprateek.com if you want me to take care of promotions for your business. Thank you.